still shocked. You're telling that, ano po yung no-noti, coach? Okay, so no-noti absences are absences which are not tagged properly. Meaning, you did not tag yourself absent, but you were absent. You did not attend the lesson. So, no-noti absences, if you're going to look at your attendance bar there, for first warning, it consists of 4 points. So, 1 no-noti, 2 points. So, 2 no-noti, 4 points. Ibig sabihin, the highest point sa absences is yung no-noti absence. So, you have to be careful. Now, if you've incurred 8 no-noti absences, automatically, your account will be placed under SA deliberation. So even if you will just incur it like once per month, if you will reach, let's say, from January up until August, you will have SA deliberation. One per month. So you have to be careful. Now, 1 no-noti, 2 points, like what I said. Okay? So, if you also have 1 no-noti, that's times 3 of your lesson rate as its penalty. So, example, you have 50 pesos lesson rate times 3. So, how much is that? 150. Correct? So, as you can observe, I think nobody wants to have no-noti. Tama? You don't like it. But this time around, this is the smallest penalty teachers ever have. Because long time ago, because I have been in the platform for 10 years already, the penalty for no-noti is very, very big before. This time around, hindi na siya malaki. Only times 3 of your lesson rate. Pero still, masakit. What if you have 10? So, that's how much? So, 150, for example, per lesson. Times 10, 1.5. So, if your salary is 2,000, you will just get 500. Right? So, why is, why are coaches in 5-1 Talk very particular with absences due to no-noti? Because first, it has a very high penalty. Second, it has a very high attendance infraction point. Understand? And third, you can get easily the SA deliberation due to no-noti absences. Diba? You will get immediately. So you have to be careful. Understand? So if you will keep of having no-noti absences every now and then, that's dangerous. Okay. Other teachers, when they want to file LOA, they think that filing an LOA is the clue so that they can be absent from their lessons. Is that correct? That's wrong. If you will file an LOA, make sure that you don't have any lesson to miss. Understand? Hindi yung absent ka. Absent ako kasi mag-LOA ako para hindi na ako magtatag. Wrong. Okay? How about VSAC? What is VSAC? Voluntary Service Agreement Cancellation. Is that okay? Na just file yung mag-resign? Mag-file na lang kayo ng resignation niya. Automatic na lahat? No. If you will have so many no-notis, it's very hard for you to go back in the platform. So, make sure that if you will file LOA or if you will file VSAC, for example lang, make sure that you don't have any open slots or book lessons left. during your period, LOA period, or the effectivity of your VSAC. Huh? Understand? Okay. Now, what is also the risk of having so many no-noty absences? Ano yung risk?
Low booking.
Okay, the risk is you will have lesson abandonment and you may be removed in the platform very, very fast. Yun bang instead of tagging the lessons properly, pabayaan lang ni teacher, pwede kang ma-remove anytime after having so many no-noties. So you have to be careful. So, what are the reasons why teachers have their no-noti absences? What are the reasons? Okay. First reason is they don't have backup devices. Right? So, example, there's sudden power outage and it's a minute before your schedule. And then no power supply anymore. Have you experienced that? So what will happen? You cannot tag the lesson absent. The student will tag you absent. Wala ka eh. Right? And the system will tag you absent at the same time if you cannot. Okay? So, you should have backup. Same with the internet. Sudden power outage, sudden internet outage, it's scary. Why? Because you cannot tag the lessons properly, especially the remaining classes. Right? You cannot tag the lessons properly. The remaining lessons. Okay? And that's the reason why you have the no-noti absences. Per month, there are almost 500 teachers who incurred no-noti absences. This time, from October 1 to October 25 data, 380 teachers incurred no-noti absences. So regardless if it's only one no-noti, you're invited to attend a coaching today. Tomorrow, my topic is all about internet and power outage. I'll invite teachers who incurred absences due to internet and power outage, ha? So if you're invited again, that's gonna be okay. You can join. If you don't have any lesson, pwede kang mag-join pa rin. As long as you're having internet and power outage absences, reasons. Okay. Now, so what else? What are the other reasons why teachers incurred no-noti absence? So second, pwedeng overslept. Right? When you overslept the lesson, you forgot the lesson, akala mo merong tao na ano lang, yung tawag nun, na ganun lang, nakatulog agad. Right? Natabing lang ng dingding, nakatulog na. So you have to be careful. There are teachers who incurred no-noti absences due to very, very tired. Very, very tired body. Very, very tired self. So, ingat tayo dun. So, when you open slots, make sure to measure your energy, right? And the ability of your backup devices in case there's an emergency. To avoid no-noti. Because if you are energetic, but your backup is not energetic, not prepared, you open 20 and your backup can only save 10. So what will happen to 10? Right? That's the reason. Teachers sometimes, they incurred no-noti absences sometimes. Not only no-noti, but also tag, but still absences. Others, yan, forgot open time. So, some reasons, like forgot open time, aside from overslept, had an outage, also forgot open time. Ha? So, ano yung forgot open time? You put your slots at 5 p.m. and then you forgot that you have slots at 5 p.m. kasi usually your class will start at 6 p.m. Right? Others, they said about sudden booking. Yan. Walang sudden booking ha. Ang sudden booking dito, meron, pero there should be, there should be no reason like sudden booking. You have to wait for the student until the 10th minute after the lesson time. Okay, example, makinig kayo mabuti. Example, your class is at 1 p.m. Right? 1 p.m. So you have to wait up until 1:10. Because all regular lessons will the overflow. Students with no teachers will book schedule until the 10th minute after the lesson time. Example, 1 to 1:10. Yun yung pinaka-last. Ha? Yan. So, I have a question. I have my sudden booking and then we had a lesson and then I was stuck late. You can actually file an appeal. But actually, it can be seen in the system also. What time did the student book a schedule in your open time? Understand? Meron niyang kopya sa amin. Kaya you don't need to file an appeal. But pag tag as late, you can file an appeal. In case the student is what? The student is a sub-student. Student na nagpa-sub. Okay. So why is it that you have to be careful about it? Because there are many teachers who experience that one. And that's the reason why they have no noti absences. When they have no noti absences, most of them experience what? They will be they'll be confused. Why? Dapat wala na, di ba? Dapat wala na after the lesson time. No, it should be 10 minutes after the lesson time. Ha? Intindihan. Okay. So baka mamaya hindi nyo maintindihan yun or makalimutan nyo. So, kailangan huwag nyong kalimutan. Okay? Huwag nyong kalimutan. Okay? Huwag nyong kalimutan yung mga sinasabi ko. To avoid no-noti absences. Ha? Yan. So, there are teachers that they really have no-noti absences. They said, I did not plot schedules, but someone, I think, plotted my schedules. Is that possible? Is it possible? The answer is, pwede. If you gave your password to your sweetheart, to your husband, to your wife, to your children, to your parents, at pinaglaruan yung account mo. But it's not really possible. Sometimes, the problem is what? Anong problema? When you use Zoom, Pag i-zoom in nyo ng mabuti yung shift management nyo, the schedule and time will be affected. Instead of putting, you think that, I put my schedule at 5, it will go to 3 p.m. And that's why you're shocked. So sometimes the problem is not because of not plotting, but it's because you've plotted the wrong date and time, or particularly time. When you zoom in, madalas nangyayari yan sa mga may problema sa mata. Because they have to zoom in, right? Hindi na nakikita pag maliit eh. So they have to zoom in everything. Right? Hanggang sa na-deform yung ano. Because this part here is not moving, while this part here is moving.
Di na naka-align.
Di na naka-align, yes. Because it's like an Excel file na naka-freeze yung isang column. Na it's not moving. It's not really working. It's working, but it's not moving with the same direction to this columns left. Yung pang shift, yung pang open ng slots. So many teachers experience that. And they are really shocked, and they're asking assistance from our LS, lesson support, why they have problems like that. Like, they plotted at 5, the open slots are not found at 5 p.m. but are found at 3 or 2 p.m. because of that one. So, better to have at least, I think 100% lang naman eh. I-magnify lens nyo na lang kung nalilitan kayo. You buy the magnifying lens. Mabenta na to ngayon, magnifying lens. Si Coach Jam sabi niya kailangan pa kayo. Yes, it's true. Para sure, you do the magnifying lens like that. Kasi, about words, it's a problem. You can zoom, right? But about the schedules, you can zoom also. The problem is, what if you forgot to return it? Diba? Kalimutan nyo, dire-diretso na kayo. Hindi nag-fix, hindi nag-align. Mali-mali yung take time, and ang daming nagkaroon ng ganong problema. And you know what happened when they ask assistance from me? And then I told them to, I taught them. Tinor ko rin sila paano, anong nangyari. They're very happy kasi, it's my mistake pala. I thought that's the mistake of someone else from the admin. Namintang si teacher. Although binuksan yung account. No. It's really your mistake. It's really your mistake. It's not our mistake. Understand? So careful tayo, We should avoid incurring no-noti absences. Coach, how can we stop having no-noti absences? Kaya ba? Kaya. Because there are many teachers in the platform that they have perfect attendance. Baka sabihin nyo, si Coach Jam, maniwala ako. Perfect attendance daw. Do we have teachers with perfect attendance? Yeah. We have so many. Baka akala nyo. Baka iniisip nyo, teacher naman, si Coach Jam naman, gawa-gawa kwento. No, I'm not making story. I'm telling the truth. Nothing but the truth, Charot. Okay? So, talagang meron. Okay? And, ano yung ginawa nila? What did they do? Okay. So, first and foremost, during their first time in the platform, nag-ipon sila. Siyempre, when you're in the first stage of your life, diba, sa isang platform, first stage mo, siyempre wala ka pang pera noon. That's the reason why you have this job, right? Because you want to earn money. So of course, the first time na magturo ka, you don't really have money to buy everything you need, right? Okay. So, anong ginawa ni teacher? Nag-ipon. Nung nakaipon na, for the new teachers, sa ito payo ko sa inyo. Nag-ipon kayo at priority nyo yung backup devices first. Understand? Priority nyo muna yung backup devices nyo. Huwag muna kayong mag-isip, kailangan Jollibee, kailangan KFC, kailangan kumain sa labas with the family. It's good because of course, that's the reason why we find a job, we want to have a job to eat food, diba? Pero apart from that, priority nyo yung backup. That's the first step. If you want to stay in the platform, prioritize to have backup. Okay? Backup, ipon, there's backup. And then, second step, nung nakabili na sila ng backup, nag-ipon pa rin sila. They don't stop saving. Why? For the devices. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo, ipon pa rin para sa devices. Every time you earn, you have to allot like 1,000 per cut off. Kasi di ba yung laptop, dati i3 lang. Sunod i5. Sunod i7 na. How can you buy a new one if you don't have ipon? May magpautang kaya. Paano yung mama mo? Wala namang pera. Or tatay mo. May siya available. Kuya mo. Natataon din. Walang pera. So, alangan, awayin mo sila. Ay, wala nga eh. Diba? So, dapat ikaw mismo. Kasi kung kulangin ka, pwede mong gawa ng paraan. Yung sobra. If your kulang is only 5,000, madali lang yung 5,000. Ang problema dyan, kung mga 50,000 ang kulang. Kasi meron ka 1,000 lang. Baliktad. So that's why you have to save money also. So, kasi other reason why teachers incurred no noting, it's not only the backup, but if your device will not function during that day, anong magagawa mo? Hindi mo na makita yung mga backup mo, ang mga ano mo. Diba? Lesson mo. Nagpaparamdam na si backup mo, si device mo, laptop mo. Right? Na it's not working. Sometimes, reason ng mga nanuti ni teacher, ay kasi nagkaroon ng the keyboard is not working, blah, 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 bigla na lang, bigla. So, those are scenarios na dapat isaalang-alang nyo. So, yung mga steps na yon, you have to save. It's very, very important to avoid having no-noti absences. You can tag the lessons properly or to avoid absences. Okay? So, you should aim to have perfect attendance. Understand? I-aim natin yon. Huwag tayong mag-aim na basta wala lang no-noti, mag-tag lang ako properly. We should not aim that way. We should aim